posted your Instagram post 2026. Script before we start. Title: How to see who reposted your Instagram post 2026 guide. Script: before we start, like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips. If you want to see who reposted your Instagram post, here's the clear and honest answer. First, Instagram does not show a full public list of everyone who reposted your post, unless certain conditions are met. But here's what you can check. Method 1, check story reshares for public accounts. If someone reposted your post to their story, you can see it, but only if your account is public, the post is still active, their story hasn't expired, 24 hours. Steps: go to your post, tap the 3 dots, tap View Story Reshares. If available, you'll see who shared it to their story. If you don't see this option, no one has reshared it recently. Method 2, check Instagram Insights, professional accounts only. If you have a creator or business account, you can see repost data. Steps: open your post, tap View Insights. Look for shares or reposts. You won't see names, but you can see the number of times it was shared. Method 3, check reposts to feed, limited feature. Instagram's repost feature, if available in your region, may show reposted by under your post, but this feature is limited and not available to everyone. Important warning: third-party apps claiming to show who reposted your post are fake. They can steal your account. Instagram does not allow external apps to show this data. Final truth: you can see story reshares within 24 hours. You can see share count via Insights. You cannot see a full permanent repost list. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and comment repost checked below.